Hi everyone, I just did a recent video on the differences between sticks and why you might choose a different stick for a different tune. I did have a couple of comments, asking for the Didge to be played, or were disappointed that I didn't play anything to compare it. So here we go. As a player, if I'm playing it, I'm getting much more difference in the sound, not just with the sort of sound of the harmonics in the didgeridoo, but also the sound feel. This bigger stick just has a much more powerful feel when I'm playing it. So the other one's got much more, as I said before, has much more of a fruity kind of harmonic sound, and it's more bouncy as well. The sound's more bouncy. This is tighter. It's got a tighter sound, and that's mainly because of the internal bore. For me, when I'm doing the sort of more vocally harmonic sounds or the multiphonic sounds, it just sings for me, that other stick. It's more musical for that kind of style of playing if I want to play. So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to do it on that shorter F stick. Whereas if I'm playing, particularly if I'm playing at a festival, playing live, I'm usually going to take this one because I can get into that real more powerful, driving, earthy rhythm, and this does the trick, So, but they're the same key, and really, it's, again, there's not one better than the other. I mean, the other one's definitely, the short one's definitely better if you're looking for what I call those singing tones, and that's why you've got the difference between Northeast Arnhem conical sticks and the sort of more Margot sticks that are used in traditional playing. They use the shorter ones because they get those singing tones, and that's what my shorter one does. So that hopefully gives you a couple of sound examples. All these different sticks, say narrow bore, conical bore, large bore, long, short, they all give you, there's an infinite amount of possibilities. You'll pick one and think, oh, that does that, that does that, that does that. This has got more of a springy bounce feel. This is tighter. Obviously, this toots as well. That's what that one can do. And the wider bores, larger bores, don't do it so easily. Depends on the internal shape. But and some, and also your whatever vibe, whatever mood, whatever timbre. The timbre is the sound characteristics of that didge. You explore all the different things. If you can't buy any, try and go somewhere with enough experience in your playing, just to get the sounds. And also, I mean, it's not just how you're playing. I might play a melodic track. I play melodic didgeridoo. I might play a powerful track, real beaty with some power and energy. My track, Barbican Blues, is raw energy, and it's recorded with the F, this conical one. It's powerful. So I wouldn't, I'd never use that for that track. Barbican Blues, I wouldn't use the short F sharp. Sorry, not the F sharp, the short F. It just doesn't have it. It doesn't kick it. So, and, there's just experiment, explore, try all different didges. You're not going to get all the sounds you want from a slide didge, but a slide didge might help you get all the different keys, but not all the different feelings, not all the different sounds, not all the different moods, not all the different nuances. Just, it's infinite, the exploration in this didge field. If you haven't explored it, you just don't know what's out there. And I always, good luck with finding the right didge for the right tune. Thanks for watching.